Hello and welcome to Timmy's Den again for an unboxing of a new Hot Wheels car. Today we have a custom 71 El Camino from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series, number 8 of 10 and 40 of 250 on the year. This is from after 2017. Between 2017 and 2020. Hot Wheels Dream Cars, or Dream Garage cars. The most epic Hot Wheels vehicles ever made, all together in one rockin' collection. Red version. I've seen a few different colors in this one, including the Fast and Furious one. This has some nice weight to it, and all the red you see is metal. That is all plastic right there. That insane power. Made in Malaysia with a plastic bottom. Nice. All wheels roll well. Hopefully it rolls well on the track. And has some drifting ability. Rail Rider. Ooh, I thought because of the tailgate there that it was going to be a nice return, and it is not. Make it work. Alright, let's see how the drifting is. Ooh, it's nice and heavy, so the drifting is nice. Heavy cars drift well. Alright, that was a nice spin at the end too. Thanks so much for checking it out with me. You just watched me open up this custom 71 El Camino. Got that mosquito. Please subscribe to Timmy's Den again. Please watch the whole video and hit that like button. I'm going to play with this for 20 more minutes. There's a good drift in there, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. T10 out.